morning, Tiller.
It's Wednesday, April 3rd.
And it's time for
Tiller News Today.
Jane, did you read your email?
No, what's up?
Remember those days we had off for the hanger fires?
Yeah.
Well, the email said we have to make them up.
Say on God.
No. But yeah.
You're lying.
No. Check your email.
Let's get this. Woohoo! Where's the heat? Where is he? Hi, Megan. Good morning, Tillers. It is Ponders, and today we're going to be asking students about their outfits. Where is the heat? Why does nobody from our school try? I wasn't going to do this person, but who am I here with?
You already know who it is. I got this from Concordia. Went on a little visit. I stole these from my best friend. What about you?
Oh, all right, let's see. Shirt, thrift, these, thrift. Wait. Necklace, the swap. Earrings, my grandma. Bracelet, quince, Mexico, quince, and hair tie. Let's go find actual fire, though. Where is the heat? I just don't want to, like... Oh, yeah. What are you wearing today?
The puffer, the zip up, the cargos, the Air Maxes.
Who has drip? I'm sick of seeing like PJs and skinny jeans. Issa's right there. Let me spin you. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm wearing this little like vintage little tie top. So vintage. I got it from a vintage store, so technically it's up. And then I have this little rose, little shimmery little skirt on, and some dogs.
Right now I got the Kyrie Kyprid shoes, got the Duke pants, go Duke, the Travis Scott shirt.
Sick. Can we get a little spin for the camera? A little fit check? Okay, cute. All right, let's go.
Cotton on, crop top, Abercrombie jeans, Converse on, and my Tory Burches.
Cute.
I feel like collecting the sun's heat, so I'm wearing an all-black fit. I got this shirt off Depop, these pants from Jenko.com, these shoes from Vans, my cute face from my mama, period.
Can we do a little 360? Okay. Who am I here with?
Jack.
All right, Jack. And what are you wearing today?
I got Hellstar, Denim Tears, and New Balances, straight from Alex Hage.
Cool. Can we get a 360? Cool. Thank you. Yep. That was it for today, Tillers. See you guys next week.
April Fools!
I can't believe we only have 32 days left of high school.
Yep, 32 days and then the hello goodbye assembly.
Not the hello goodbye assembly. That's the one where we give our teachers flowers, right?
That's the one.
I'm gonna be a wreck.
I don't want to talk about it.
Yeah, me either.
Paulina, a little birdie told me it's National Assistant Principal Appreciation Week. Let's take a moment to extend our deepest gratitude and appreciation to our assistant principals. Mr. Gebe, Mr. McKinley, Mrs. Morgan, and Mrs. Shea. Each has played a pivotal role in shaping a vibrant and supportive environment that defines our Tiller community. Together, they form an incredible team whose contributions go above and beyond our day-to-day operations of Tustin High School. Yeah, they inspire us, motivate us, and above all, demonstrate a profound commitment to our community. So please join us in thanking Mr. Gebe, Mr. McKinley, Ms. Morgan, and Mrs. Shea for their exceptional leadership and dedication to the school. Your efforts have not gone unnoticed, and we are all better for having you as part of our little Tiller family.
Happy National Assistant Principal Appreciation Week.
Yes, thank you for everything you do.
All right, this Friday is the International Assembly.
It's seriously a great time.
Let's check in with Kaylee and Guthrie for more information.
Guthrie, this is our last International Assembly.
That is crazy. Do you remember like all the different performances in the Polynesian Club?
Well, this year, there's a twist.
What's that?
This year, we can help celebrate by dressing up in cultural attire.
Should I wear a kilt?
I'll give you $20 if you do.
I may.
And then right after the assembly, go out to the plaza for a special lunchtime concert by the band Mantra.
Oh, I follow those guys. At Mantra 714.
Layla, we have to dress up.
Totally. Are we gonna have the same band as last year?
That's the word on the street.
Can't wait for this.
Me too.
Attention seniors who have applied to Santa Ana College.
If you are considering joining the field trip on April 18th,
you must visit the College and Career Center to get a permission slip. Hey, Leah, have you thought about college plans?
Yeah, I want to go to New York, but I'm just a junior, so like...
Well, it's never too early to think about college.
traffic light turns green, you should blank. Before proceeding, A. Check your rearview mirror. B. Accelerate immediately. C. Look left, then right, then left again. Answer. C. Look left, then right, then left again. Always check for oncoming traffic and pedestrians before proceeding. When parking uphill on a street with a curb, your front wheels should be A. Turned away from the curb. B. Turned towards the curb. C. Kept straight. Answer. A. Turned away from the curb. This way, if the vehicle rolls, it will roll away from traffic. True or false? You must always stop before crossing railroad tracks, regardless of the presence of a train. Answer. False. You must stop only when there is a stop sign, signal, or indication of an approaching train.
If you are a senior attending Irvine Valley College this fall,
you and your family are invited to attend IVC's Preview Night.
It is on a Wednesday, April 17th, 2024, from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m.
The event promises an exciting evening where you can experience the vibrant campus atmosphere,
meet IVC professors and staff,
and learn more why IVC is the #1 in transfers to the UC system in Orange County,
including UCLA and UCI.
For more information, see Ms. Garcia in the College and Career Center.
Man, we got a lot of great colleges around here.
We totally do.
Okay, moment of truth. Where are you going to school next year?
Either San Diego State or UC Santa Barbara.
Oh, that's good. I heard Santa Barbara's really pretty.
It's stunning.
If missed the first dual enrollment workshop,
but you're interested in taking a dual enrollment class,
Mrs. Garcia is hosting another workshop today from 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. in the College and Career Center.
An IVC counselor will also be present to guide you through the application process.
Taylors, the yearbook will be here in a few weeks, and if you're not sure if you already bought one, just head over to room 132. There's a list on the window. Wait, where are you going?
I'm gonna go to the window.
Okay. Be safe, bro.
Jay, where have you been?
I was just checking to see if I had a yearbook.
Did you see if I got one?
No, but I'll just check it again.
Thank you. Okay, now let's see what's going on in Taylor Sports.
Hello.
Marcus, give us a track update.
Man. Same as usual. It's just winning races with these, I guess. Keep going, man. I know you're gonna break that record. Yep, maybe on the 18th. On the 18th? I'll do it on the 18th. For sure. Anyways. Hey, man, do you know anyone that needs to clear some detention hours? Let me think. Actually, no, I don't even gotta think about that. Lucas, you better be up there. Yep. If they are interested in clearing up to 5 hours of detention, they have to work at the track and field meet. It's 5 hours? That sounds amazing, man. Just go see Coach T during lunch in room A14 to receive an assignment. You guys should also clear some detention hours at the detention game of the week tomorrow at the volleyball game. So good, man. Let's see what else is happening in Taylor Sports.
Biggest challenge we've overcome is figuring out a way to win games without being the biggest, the fastest, or the strongest. We have to make sure that our belief in ourselves is the biggest key, and pulling for one another is the real reason why we all do what we do, is to play for the guy standing next to us, for us to as coaches, mentor these young men in order to get them to believe that they can be successful.
Baseball's taught me to like stay level-headed and to think things through, not act emotionally, but to see the bigger picture and that everything's gonna be all right. Just stay confident.
What has been the hardest challenge you have overcome?
One of the hardest challenges I've had to overcome was dealing with failure and being able to control my emotions after the failure. Something I would say for people joining is just especially like don't get discouraged.
How has the bond with your team affected your performance on the field?
Honestly, it improves it a lot knowing that you have guys that you can trust and lean on when times are tough.
The biggest, most fun thing is being around these young men. The fight and determination, the coming to work every day for practice, the enjoyment that I get to see on their face is the biggest thing for me. On top of all of us implying or giving them our knowledge to make them become even more successful. All those kids want to continue to play on past here. That's really the biggest thing for us and me as the coach and my coaching staff is to get them to continue to play once they leave.
That's all for today, too.
Be respectful.
Be engaged. And be
Go, Vigorous.